Dear friends, welcome to Culinary Hub. Thanks for joining us for another interesting recipe, Pakoda Kadhi. This creamy, lightly spiced gravy with melt in your mouth pakodas will not make you feel guilty on overindulgence as the pakodas are steamed and not fried. Please refer the description section for the details. I have crushed ginger and green chilies, sliced one onion. I need only half a tomato, which I will slice it. To make the gram flour free of lumps and aerated, I will pass it through a sieve. Add the crushed ginger and green chilies, sliced tomato and sliced onion. Then in goes turmeric powder, chili powder, coriander seeds powder and cumin seed powder, salt as per taste, and little amount of water. Once the besan has got mixed with the other ingredients, then I will add 1 more cup of water. Heat up a pot, add just a teaspoon of oil and start the tempering by adding cumin seeds, followed by mustard seeds, then half a teaspoon of chopped ginger, then little amount of fenugreek seeds and pinch of Asafoetida. Allow it to crackle thoroughly and add the gram flour or our besan mixture. Stir continuously on a low flame so that the besan doesn't settle at the bottom. Meanwhile, add a little amount of water to the yogurt and whisk it. To prevent the curdling of yogurt, I'll be adding before the besan starts boiling. Make sure the kadhi is continuously stirred. Once the kadhi starts boiling, it is the time to go on for preparing our pakodas. I'll start steaming little amount of water in another pot. The ingredients for pakoda are gram flour, onion, green chilies, ginger, salt and fruit salt, and a teaspoon of oil for greasing. Sift the flour, add salt. Add little amount of ajwain seeds, this is totally optional. Then add the crushed green chilies and ginger paste, followed by chopped onion. And add very little amount of water and make a thick paste. Then add few pinches of fruit salt and activate it by adding a teaspoon of water and fold the mixture gently. Then grease in the steamer with 2 to 3 drops of oil. Place in the pakodas and put it in the pot where the water is boiling. Once the pakodas are cooked for around 8 to 10 minutes, flip it and cook it on the other side. Once the pakodas are cooked, you can add it to the kadhi which is boiling and season it once again with 1 teaspoon of oil, curry leaves and red chillies and put it in the kadhi. The kadhi is ready for serving. Thank you for watching this video and kindly subscribe to our channel.